to say goodbye to my hair. I'm gonna be chopping a bit of it off, and then I'm gonna be saying goodbye to my wavy hair as well because I'm gonna get like a rebond situation.
It looks sad. It looks really sad. How about this one, the chimpanzee? How is it so far?
It just started, but I'm hopeful. The before.
Transformers.
Receptacle.
We will be a Decepticon.
Wow.
Wow!
We're here in Greenwich just to eat. The
Wow,
hair.
straight hair club.
Nelly. Hi! Before we head outside of the house, we are gonna have like a meet the family situation with my cousin and his partner. So looking forward to that. So, amo na siya plano. Mapa-derma kami. Pero we don't know how long it would take.
Parang si Lola na isang apoy,
Sos hindi. Sa mimita ka lang.
Nantaw ko pun ang bili. Bye.
Ang bili.
Makita ka.
Ang kilo na sa mong ano, mga 700.
Showed us.
Hindi mo ganun sa
Mga ano.
around 15.
Ito muna eh. Nasi October pa. Wait, nakita sa Pinas. Sige lang. I-ano ko lang. Wow. It kind of still hurt though, even though I had anesthesia. But at least it was way quicker than I thought. Fritz! Sorry, tanang mo matawag.
Hello! Or hindi na lang pag-iulaan
Amo na unahon. Amo na unahon ta. Punta ako magad. Ito mo igo yan.
Ito ka mo ha?
Ay, pakita ko lang.
Kasi wala naman ko nasipa. Kakalain ng gandamilya for me.
Oh
My God, Fritz.
Wala man ni spring. Hindi, spring yung gahon eh.
No? They have like cards, like actual cards.
I think I got a good run.
Makuha ko sa inyo nga card.
So what?
Ano?
Yes! Oh wait, you can't play yet.
Why? Oh, okay.
Di na, di mo dito.
Pare tigil.
Basta na.
Oh! You gotta end it right.
I can't end it, pero I can just give you one.
Ready?
You're dead.
Hindi mo.
Okay, yeah,
I mean,
that's true.
Delusional.
Hona, dilulong
I live in delusion.
Para lang hindi ko makap...
I mean, shoot your shot.
Ano mahulog ko? The end.
Okay. Mama tayo ko. Mo pa siya man pa? Mabakala ko sa.
Good morning, everyone. It is a bright, sunny day today, even though all of the curtains are drawn, but it's really sunny still. I'm gonna go and just show you guys like a regular day in my life because honestly, the past couple of days, nothing has been happening. I've just been here in the house. I'm going to show you guys how we make our breakfast. Lola's in the kitchen right now, and I'm gonna go join her so you can have a Filipino cooking lesson. Good morning, darling.
Good morning, my darling. Ano ang this is?
Ammonia, this is Lola is cutting up the pumpkin.
Alisin ang balat.
Alisin ang balat.
Mm.
Ano na siyang ingredient? Ganila.
Okra.
Okra.
Ay, okra.
For you, my darling.
Thank you.
Pasadre, saladre.
Tama na ka, damo ko dyan.
Ay, te, sayang. Pila na lang kabilo mo. Kano ko man na. Mga rabbit na ko. Ano ni ganito, Abla?
Beans.
Beans. Inhiligay nun?
Balatong.
Wala to.
String beans.
Wow, string beans.
Ay, importante ang niluto.
Sarap.
Masih masay?
Hindi lasa isa ko rin. Ikaw wala ta. Okay na, nanay.
Okay naman. It's alright.
It's alright. It's okay. Here
Langga, oh.
comes the slide. Here comes the slide.
Kamahang. Oh, igalo na sa inyo mo.
Ano masaling mula sa imo slide?
Asos. Very good.
Tasty, delicious.
Delicious.
Piso lang ang rice.
Ang sarap.
Oh, anong sarap.
Nasa tsuna balaga. Manong ig pa lang. Malakat ka pa.
Hindi na lang kung magpaligo. Kaya.
Mailit
Na-pressure ka na lang.
Anong laya ko
Oh my gosh, katumbal
Eh,
ni.
kailangan.
Hindi ah.
Okra. Katumbal.
Katumbal kita. Ikaw, Lula. Kanoon ko gila tali, Lula.
anak. Tulog mo tatanan mo.
Ang bubuk ipuno.
Wow, juicy ba?
Yummy, yeah.
Wala.
Thank you, Plangga. I
Hindi ka
love
na-
you.
I love you. Hindi ka na mag-powder?
Okay, guys, so that was breakfast. Honestly, I think I'm gonna spend the rest of the day just being on my laptop and on my phone doing miscellaneous things. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, but don't worry, I'm trying to upload every week so you can see everything that's going on in my life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye!